allow the spring gun to move flexible in three-dimensional space, adjusting angles and distance in real time to adapt to the complicated contours of door panels. Designed for high-end door production, this machine supports a variety of paint tips, including water-based, solvent-based, and UV-curable coatings, perfectly matching the finish needs of solid wood doors, MDF doors, WCC doors, composite doors, and custom carved doors. It not only ensures the super adhesive and durability of paint film, but also minimum paint waste, with a material utilization rate up to 90%. This 3D scanner have accessible multi-panel machine. Not only can screen the doors, but also can paint furniture cabinets, boards. If you want to use this kind of machine, welcome to contact us freely. More details, welcome to contact us. Waiting for you here.